how to start your content writing journey. So, yeah, after a lot of research, today I'm here with a list of platforms that might help you to get jobs in the content writing field. I'll be also talking about the platforms that the YouTubers rave about. I did my own research and I went to those platforms, but as a fresher, it's really hard to start earning on those platforms. So, in this video, I'll be including all those platforms that have worked really well for me. I will also be recommending few platforms that might be useful for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Language comes as the first barrier in our mind when we think about content writing. But as I've mentioned in my previous videos, even if you have an expertise in a single language, it is more than enough. English is not a necessary component to become a content writer. And if by chance English is your forte, you need to be well versed with the rules of grammar. Check out my previous video to learn more about it. Secondly, you would require a basic text editor software like Microsoft Word. If you don't have the software, no worries. You can still work on Google Docs, which is available online. The last and the final equipment that you would require in the content writing field is coding. It purely depends upon the type of work you take. If you are someone specialized in the technical field and would like to pursue content writing in the same, then make sure that your coding skills are updated. If you are not from a technical field and still wish to take up technical writing jobs, then learning coding is a must for you. With these three basic tools, you are good to go. Let's begin our job searching journey with this basic platform. It's merely a platform, but let's begin. Type content writing jobs near me and add the location nearby. You will find a list of content writing requirement and vacancies available near you. Quicker.com. If you are someone looking to find a work from home job, then this is the platform that can get you one. You can go through the list of jobs and simply apply. I have personally never found Naukri.com that useful, but yes, they do get you some interviews. You can practice your interview skills, and if you are lucky enough, you may also find a perfect place to work. Some of the other platforms that are highly recommended are Fiverr, Freelancer.com, Upwork, PeoplePower.com. To start working on these platforms, you would require to follow certain procedures and undergo approvals. 9 in 10 times, the profiles are rejected right away. As these platforms are already flooded with professional content writers, it's really hard to begin as a fresher here. But you can try your luck on these platforms anyway. Talking about the platforms that have actually worked for me, LinkedIn is the one thing that you should keep on updating. To make your place in the market as a content writer, LinkedIn is the best platform. It will also help you find better jobs. Facebook. Yes, Facebook is the platform that has provided me with tons of job opportunities. You just need to join these groups on Facebook, and there will be a notification for content writer requirements popping up on your screen every hour. Being a full-time content writer, you can start from earning 15 to 25,000, and as you gain experience you can earn something between 50,000 to 1 lakh. As a freelancer, you can earn from 30 paisa per word to 50 paisa per word as a beginner. And as you gain experience, you can earn from 1 rupees per word to 5 rupees per word. Do not accept to pay anything, registration fees, or anything that the client asks you to pay. You should never agree to pay anything from your side. If you are a freelancer, try to pick up jobs that offer weekly payment, because if you are agreeing to monthly payment and you have given them 20 articles, you don't really want to be in loss for 20 articles. It's better to be at loss for 5 articles. If possible, take advance. And the last but not the least, take a proper official email before you begin any work. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any queries, any recommendation, any suggestions that you would like to give me, if you want to see something uh, more on this channel, then you can definitely comment in the comment section. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that we can grow as a community, and hit that like button. It keeps me motivating. So yeah, till the next time we see. Bye bye.